Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete comments on your Instagram post. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, I'm going to open my profile. Okay, and these are the Instagram posts I have uploaded to my Instagram account, and I'm going to select one of them. And for example, guys, I'm going to remove comments from this Instagram post. We can go to the comment section, then I'm going to remove this comment. If we want to remove the comment, we just need to tap and hold on the comment we want to remove until all this option appear on your screen. Then since we want to remove it, we just need to click on delete. And as you can see that the comment has been deleted from this Instagram post and it has been removed. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove comments from our Instagram post. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.